What is this? Are you recording?
You want me to take it out?
Please.
The recording, yes.
Okay.
I didn't see that part.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Ibasi.
Hi, good evening, sir.
So you're telling me that you have a lawyer?
Yeah,
Who is your lawyer?
Attorney Rehan.
Who is it?
Rehan?
See if they filed it. Do you know if this person is going to show up today?
Yeah, he's there.
Okay. We're just going to do probable cause now. You now are charged with unlawful restraint. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do cause you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. We will do this now. And then after that, we will just have you wait right over there for your lawyer to come. Hopefully they will show up. Okay. I love it. Good morning.
On August 5th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a hostage event at a townhouse in Harris County, Texas. The reporting, who is the project manager of the townhouse complex, called 911. The reporting indicated that the defendant was wearing an all-black religious garment and had a face mask. The
hearing begins with tension. Miss Ibasi is caught off guard, not realizing she's being recorded. The judge informs her she's charged with unlawful restraint, a serious accusation that carries up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. Unlawful. Restraint means physically or forcibly preventing someone from leaving, a line that separates an argument from a criminal offense. The judge calmly outlines her rights, while Miss Ibasi says her lawyer isn't present yet. But the process continues.
One of his employees, the complaining witness, inside a townhouse against his will. The reporting advised that the defendant was trying to evict a witness, or trying to get a witness to self-evict. She was trying to get the witness, who is her tenant in the townhouse, to self-evict by shutting down the power and water to the unit repeatedly. The complaining witness, who is the maintenance man for the townhouse complex, went to go check on the tenants to see if they were okay. The reportee indicated that the defendant locked the steel gate, which would not allow the complaining witness to leave. They had a key lock on the front and key lock on the back side. The tenant did not have the key to the back side of it, so if she locks the front, there's no way to pass through the gate.
Okay, so the unlawful restraint is out?
Yes, Your Honor.
Outside?
It's a gate, and then it has, like the gate in the porch, on the porch, like a burglar gate.
Okay, so I'm assuming, so here's the door, and then you have, I guess what, like those black burglar bars that they
Yes,
say.
Your Honor.
So he couldn't get into the house
He couldn't get out of the house.
and he couldn't
She
get
locked
out,
him in the house without electricity or air conditioning.
and no back door to get out, no window? I don't understand.
We're getting there, Your Honor. When officers arrived, they spoke with the complaining witness, who said that he escaped 5 minutes prior.
Details of the incident are shared. Officers responded to a hostage situation at a Texas townhouse. The property manager called 911, stating the defendant tried to force a tenant to leave by cutting utilities, a classic example of constructive eviction, which is illegal. Things escalated when she allegedly locked a man inside with no way out, using gates with key locks on both ends. He had no way to exit, which raised major safety and legal concerns.
And the defendant and the witness were still inside the home. The complaining witness reported the house was really hot because the air conditioning wasn't on. Complaining witness stated the back patio door was also locked, and the defendant had locked him in. Defendant had made a motion at the time to her purse, which the complaining witness believed, or which made the complaining witness believe that she had a gun. The witness collaborated the complaining witness's story. And
I don't understand how this person cannot just unlock the door and leave from.
it was locked. It's so the doors, instead of having a push button on one end and then a key lock on both sides, on the other side, it's a key lock on both sides.
On both sides?
That's the doors, Your Honor, which the maintenance man, the complaining witness, indicated was a violation of the fire code.
But that's neither here nor there, but doesn't this person have a master key? Or I guess this is a residence,
He
right?
doesn't have a master key, Your Honor. He's the maintenance man for like the condo association. So he maintains the condo. Each of the units has its own keys.
How long was allegedly stuck in the house and how did he get out? This is unusual.
The tenant, who was also the complex's maintenance man, says he escaped just minutes before the police arrived. It was over 100-degree Bekrov inside with no air conditioning, and he believed the woman might be armed. The most chilling part? There's video showing him pleading to be let go and her telling him to shut up. The judge questions the legality of locking both gate doors with keys, an alleged fire code violation. Still, the emotional and legal weight hangs in the air.
Okay, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward. If something develops in the future, I have told that you guys can come back and we can argue about probable cause. The only thing I'm going to ask you is please do not have contact with the complaining witness in this case and don't be in possession of any weapons. As long as you can abide by these and you do not pick up any new cases, you will be fine with us. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but please stay in contact. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will issue a warrant, okay? Do you have any questions? Okay, so just no contact, no weapons, and that's it, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Just to go back to the body cam issue itself, right?
Tensions rise as the case unfolds. The maintenance man tried to restore the power multiple times only for it to be turned off again. There's footage showing her asking him to sit while he begs to leave. That moment of control, combined with refusal to unlock the door, turns the situation from civil to criminal. The judge wants to hear Miss Ibasi's side, but she wisely invokes her right to remain silent until her lawyer arrives.
The body cam issue itself, like, say if I were to file a motion to restore property or return property, it's been tagged, so I don't know how we're gonna.
I mean, I don't think that you would have any opposition to that, would you?
I do, at this juncture, I think Pavel said the body cam, like to retrieve her body cameras from HPD evidence.
For the motion to restore, Judge, I just need to talk to the investigator and see if we're retrieving it anyways.
If you're what?
If we're gonna retrieve that footage to make it available, I think we're already in the process of doing that. That's the only thing that's holding me back. But right now, I'm objecting because it's a part of a pending investigation. At this point, I just need to confirm it with the investigator.
Do you want to set it a couple weeks just to see if that happens?
Yeah, I mean, I really just need a week, but yeah, a couple weeks. would be
Are we
great.
judged, because like I said.
I'm waiving her appearance.
Oh, absolutely.
So, I mean, she's not gonna have to come here, so
2 weeks would suffice, Judge.
whatever you want, I don't care. Yeah, because you guys fight over whatever day, and then, I mean, if you want to, I'll grant your motion to get it back, though.
Yes, sir.
If they're not gonna get it back first, so.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. Have a week.
The judge finds probable cause to move forward. Miss Ibasi is warned not to contact the witness or possess any weapons. Then comes the key development, body cam footage. If it confirms the witness's account, this case could be open and shut. If it contradicts, the entire narrative could shift. As the court prepares to retrieve the footage from police evidence, a decision looms. Will the video support the accusation or expose a very different story?